Hi, I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to show you the JoJo Whole-House filtration system. JoJo offers a single and a two-stage system. You can link them in series should you need more filtration. Included with the unit is a bracket that's already attached to the cap, a casing spanner, barrel nipples for the in and outlet, and expansion bolts. Before installing the unit, select a suitable location. The unit can either be connected to your municipal feed, or if you have a water tank system, after your pump before the water goes into your house. To make it easier to mount the bracket, unscrew the filter casings from the caps using the spanner provided. If preferred, you can also remove the caps from the bracket. When mounting the unit, take into consideration the direction of flow, marked in and out, the plumbing that needs to be connected to the inlet and outlet, as well as the total height of the filter casing, leaving enough space below the casing to unscrew it when it is time to replace the filter cartridges. Holding the mounting bracket against the wall, use the 4 screw holes as guides to make drill marks. Ensure that the bracket is level. Drill the appropriate size holes. Ensure that the holes are deep enough to accommodate the full length of the expansion bolts. Insert the expansion bolts into the drilled holes. Mount the bracket by hooking it into the expansion bolts, then fully tighten the bolts. Reattach the caps to the bracket if you remove them prior. Remove all packaging from the new filter cartridges and insert the cartridges into the filter casings. Ensure that the filter is centered in your casing before aligning it with the cap to reinsert. Hand tighten the casings, then secure them in place using the supplied spanner. After the unit has been mounted and the cartridges inserted, you can connect it to your plumbing. We recommend using a qualified plumber for this.